Hello, so today we're going to do some more grammar practice. So topic 14 is going to be word formation. This is very typical in exams, přijímačky and university exams and FCE. So we want to make, and here's a website we will look at in class. And so we want to make adjectives from these words, and then the opposite. So sense, and the adjective is sensitive. And the opposite is what? In or unsensitive? Insensitive. Number 2, comfort. What's the adjective? Do you know? Comfortable. Okay, we don't say comfortable, but comfortable. And the negative or opposite is in or un? Uncomfortable. So offend, to offend somebody. The person is very the adjective, offensive. And the opposite, in or un? Unoffensive. Okay, rely, to rely on somebody. So what's the adjective? The person is very reliable. Okay. And the negative, un or in? Unreliable. He's unreliable. Help. What's the adjective? Person, he's very helpful. Or the negative is unhelpful. Decide, to make a decision. Decide, someone's very decisive. And the negative, in or un? Indecisive. Expense. So it's very expensive. And then the opposite, in or un, is inexpensive. Okay, we'll do some more of these. So again, obey, poslouchat. So the adjective, the person is very obedient. And the negative, opposite, is disobedient. Alcohol, and a drink is an alcoholic drink, but you're not allowed to drink, so it's non-alcoholic. Pain, what's the adjective? Painful. And the negative, we have an ending, different ending, painless, without pain. Logic, logical, illogical. Okay, this is an interesting, illogical, like legal, illegal, logical, illogical. Maturity, it's the noun, and the adjective, someone is very mature. And the opposite, immature. Satisfy, to satisfy something or somebody. Satisfied, I'm very satisfied. And the opposite, dissatisfied. Agree, similar, it's agreement or agreeable. And negative is similar, yes, it's disagreement or disagreeable. Okay, have a look at those, remember them. Okay, we'll do a little dictation in class. And here's another one we can do now. So agree, what prefixes? So look at those, see if you can prepare for the lesson. I can say it very quickly. So disagree, disappear, misbehave, disapprove, misinform, ensure. Encourage, also discourage, misunderstand, endanger. Discover, enlarge, make bigger, enlarge, and mistake. Okay, we'll practice those in class and maybe talk about the meanings. And the person, okay, can you make a person from these? So cashier, a beggar, a pharmacist, sculptor, OR, employer, scientist, optician, mountaineer, accountant, surgeon, servant, and decorator. So we will describe the job. For example, what do you call the person who is homeless, has no money, and he's on the streets? He's a beggar, for example. Okay, so we will describe these and we can guess the job. Right, also we will have a game where we have these root words and we have to make many words from them. We only have 1 minute. For example, able, you could put ability, disability. Okay, lead, leader, mislead, connect, connection, disconnect, reconnection, believe, believer, disbelief. So we can make many words from these, and we'll do that in class. So that's it, just practicing word formation. See you in the lesson.